Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to install the Freecom parallel port CD Rom drive on my IBM ThinkPad 7.1c. Now here I have my ThinkPad, and as I have already shown, I have installed MS-DOS 6.2 on an SD card in an SD IDE adapter, and I just start now the ThinkPad. It always runs down the complete memory and checks the memory if it's okay, and so I'm not sure if the same is still done by Windows 10. You can speed up this process if you are press, I guess it was escape or something, and press return, then it won't check the memory. But yeah, I just have the time for it. Now again, a memory test. I guess now everything is okay now. And I have here drivers for the Freecom parallel CD Rom drive, which I found on the internet. Now I will insert the diskette, the floppy with the drivers. And here are the drivers. I think it's FC install. That should be the program. Freecom product, thanks for choosing Freecom product, enter, okay. I can now choose the language. As you are mostly English viewers, English-speaking viewers, I take English as my installation language. Program will install software necessary to operate your Freecom device. It will automatically create a directory on your hard disk and copy the device drivers files after the files have been copied onto your hard disk. Okay. Okay, I will take the default values. I will accept this path. Yes. Press any key to continue. Attention, if we component couldn't be detected, press any key to continue. So now I have this problem. I have this connector, which is a unique connector, and it makes it possible to connect the floppy drive to the ThinkPad, but I only have this connector. And I have here also my Freecom parallel port CD-ROM, and I don't have a free port available on my ThinkPad. So since I know the port here on the side is hot swappable, I will just take the plug out of it and put the CD-ROM drive here in. Now I have installed the cable, so I press any key to continue. Please select this option to install the driver. Okay. So I will install the PrefTech technology. I don't know what it is, but I have to space this one. Okay. Yeah. I should read before I do something here. So now I get the question. The program needs to read again the floppy drive, so I have to swap again. So now I've put in again the connector to the floppy disk, and I press again, do it again. So now I get asked about modification of the config systems out of XZBed. So I will agree to that. Now the installation is complete. I can press enter to exit to DOS. Now we'll do it, and okay. I have now in the driver directory. What I now do is I will pull off the floppy drive and put in again the connector to the CD Rom drive, and reboot the ThinkPad to check if everything went all right. So now I'm rebooting the system, and I'm successfully installed the driver, and yeah, I just interrupt the memory count now with the escape key, and yeah, so that's a little bit faster. Now the driver boots up. Now I try to test the CD Rom drive, and it's obviously the drive D, and the problem is there's no disk inside, so I have to put a disk inside. And now I can do it again. And what happens? Takes some time, and it's still not ready, but now it's ready, and I can have now access to CD-ROMs, and so that's a pretty good thing, because I'm intending to install Win 3.1 or Win 95B on the ThinkPad, so I can go on and install this. And I also want to install some games on the device, so I will probably do this first. but I don't know yet exactly what I do, but I'm pretty happy about it that I have my ThinkPad repaired, running really well, with also running a CD Rom drive. So now I'm able to install nearly every program or game or whatever I want, and I have this fast hard drive which is really silent because it's the SD card with an IDE adapter on it. So yeah, it's pretty great. I have now a working Windows or 95 or MS-DOS 6.2 machine.